Hello guys, today marks our first day in Italy and I'm very excited. I wasn't able to vlog last night kasi dumating na kami rito sa hotel at exact 12 midnight. So, kailangan na namin magpahinga for our voice. Excited ako today kasi we'll just do a lot of preparations, sectionals, breakfast, lunch, and then do the rehearsals in the afternoon. And so, I will tag you along with me. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging itsura ng day 1 ko. And I'm very excited sa competition. And tomorrow na pala yung first category namin na sasalihan, which is the sacred category. Ayan, let's go guys! Team Philippines for the win! Tara, let's go room tour. Gising na rin yung roommate ko. Say hi to the vlog! Hi! Si Carl, power base namin yan. So ayan, ito na guys. I'm so excited. Ligo muna tayo and everything nice. Power pop, girls! Okay guys, ready na kami for breakfast. Let's go! We need energy for the entire day. Race! Ito na kami ng lobby. Thank you so much. I'm vlogging.
Hi, Mom!
Okay, so ngayon papunta na kami sa breakfast. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Sarap yan, love.
Oh, I'm part of the vlog.
Ayan guys, so dito na part, hindi ko pala na-switch on yung mic ko. Kainis. So here, after breakfast, rehearsals na agad.
Doon mo lang. Papareho ha. Pagbagsak ng pinisip mo na piano biglang
Okay, so lunch na.
Sige, mag-vlog ka, patay ka naman.
Sorry, Derek.
Kita ko yan. Talaga.
Derek!
Pati hello! Buongiorno!
Buongiorno! Opo, ito na. Katabi na. Hello, ate.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
I just want to say that I'm so happy to be here.
Lunch time. Grabe, kain ng kain. Which I love. Of course, apart from singing, eating talaga is one of the best parts of tour. Yeah.
Historical places.
Yeah, and of course, being able to visit different places, especially the historical ones. Interviewin ko nga kayo. Hey, Jaire, ano yung mga nilook forward mo pa sa tour na to?
Probably the competition and visiting other places after. competition?
Siyempre, aside sa competition, of course, competition muna. Pero after that, pinaka you look forward to is yung Rome, yung Colosseum. Because it's one of my bucket list talaga. And, of course, yung fashion show natin. Diba?
Aside sa competition then, yung food. Kasi ang sasarap ng mga food.
Guys, I'm still full from the breakfast. Buffet kasi yun. So medyo marami ako nakain. Di ba ito yung take out? So full. Ibusog na kami, pero meron pa. Appetizer lang pala yung pasta kanina, guys. Gabi sa kagat pa lang. Hindi mo na kaya. Grabe guys, sa part na to, busog na kaming lahat from the breakfast. Pero kailangan pa rin namin ubusin yung food. Kaya kain lang, let's go! Ilisin, ito pa, meron pa. Tama na, tama. Dito, before leaving, we offered a song for the staff. Back to sectionals na. Cute. Maintain mo na lang na ganyan. Babawi ba kayo dyan?
Oo, babawi.
I mean, pag babawi ka ba, may difference ba?
Yung placement.
Pag bumabawi. Tsaka feeling ko pag babawi ka pa, parang hindi na siya magmamatter. Una kasi mababa na nota mo, tapos palakas na ng palakas yun eh.
Microphone.
Feeling ko sa base galing.
Oo, kami ng karate.
This is one of the best things and blessings that happened during the tour. Kasi in this hotel, walang ibang hotel guests apart from us. So we are free to do our sectionals and rehearsals anytime. Before ako bumaba for our dinner, kain na naman, I'll prepare my stuff for tomorrow. And that includes my uniform. Ayan, para sa secret category namin. I'm gonna wear my bronze uniform. Siguro mag-fit check ako niyan bukas ng morning. Ayan. For the Italy tour, we brought 2 uniforms. One is the bronze And the second one is the blackberry. Ayan. Yung blackberry, we will wear that sa secret concerts namin. Gasikasan na ako. Worship time. After worship, kain ulit.
Sa market.
This is Naoshim, soon vegetable.
Ano yung cup noodles mo? Yeah. Para sa ata tayo. Hello guys, so that's a wrap for day 1. Tapos na kami mag-worship and mag-dinner. So, it's our time to have a complete restorative rest for energy para bukas. Excited na ako. Day 2, let's go!